One FDA inspection can reveal problems far upstream in the supply chain. In a December 8, 2025 warning letter, the FDA detailed significant CGMP and labeling violations at Darmerica LLC, a Florida-based supplier of active pharmaceutical ingredients to compounding pharmacies around the country. According to the agency, the issues involve supplier qualification failures, gaps in testing and oversight, and the distribution of misbranded or adulterated raw materials, some sourced from manufacturers listed on FDA import alerts. Importantly, the warning letter does not allege wrongdoing by compounding pharmacies themselves, the vast majority of which operate safely and are overseen by state pharmacy boards. The compounding pharmacies would be victims as well in this scenario. But this case highlights a critical reality. Patient safety depends not only on how medications are compounded safely, but on the integrity of the entire supply chain that feeds them. Today, it is not easy or sometimes even possible for a compounding pharmacy to know that the ingredients they are using are compliant with federal law. As demand for compounded medications, especially peptides and GLP-1 related drugs, continues to grow, understanding ingredient sourcing, regulatory oversight, and quality safeguards becomes more important than ever. The supply chain that provides these medicines doesn't give compounding pharmacies enough information to know the ingredients that they are buying came from FDA-registered sources, or that they have been tested adequately. This is because they don't often provide compounding pharmacy buyers with the names of the FDA-registered facility that made it, or a certificate of analysis for the ingredients showing the results of sufficiently broad testing for impurities. That's why PSM endorses reform in this area, to force the supply chain to give compounding pharmacy ingredient buyers the information they need to know that they are compliant in creating safe products for patients. To understand how compounded medicines are monitored and what safety safeguards matter most, read our compounding safety resource at safemedicines.org.